Welcome. Here's how you can copy photos and videos from memory cards without a laptop. The My Passport Wireless SSD is capable of copying cards from your favorite DSLRs, drones, action cams, and more, all without the need of a laptop, cable, or app. Simply take the SD card from your device, power on your My Passport Wireless SSD, and insert the card into the SD 3.0 slot after the device has fully booted. Once the two lights turn solid again, press and hold the SD button for 2 seconds. This will start copying everything from the SD card to the My Passport Wireless SSD's internal storage. During this process, none of your files will be deleted or moved from your SD card. The files are organized by date, time of import, and lastly by the card's default file structure. And it will only copy files that have not already been copied to the My Passport Wireless SSD. Once all the indicator lights are solid, the copying process is complete, and you can safely eject the card using the app or by powering off the drive. If you shoot to compact flash, SQD, or other card formats, you can simply plug a card reader into the USB host port and follow the same process. Copy, view, and access everything for all your cameras and drones. No laptop required. The My Passport Wireless family, with either the My Passport Wireless Pro or the durable and fast My Passport Wireless SSD.